What do I mean by accountability? Now please listen carefully to me. Irrespective of what kind of a salesman or what kind of a businessman you are, there will always be 20% people who will like to do business only with you. Whether you are good or you are bad, there will be 20% people who like to do business with you. It can be because they like you, it can be because they are sympathetic towards you, it can be because they have gratitude for you, it can be because they are lazy and inefficient, but 20% people will always want to do business with you. Doing business with them is not a challenge at all, is effortless. Your shop is dirty, your factory is not proper, you fail on your commitments, still there will be 20% people who will come to you. That is why even the worst of the organizations have some clients. Nobody can say zero clients. Even the worst professional, let's say a chartered accountant, will have some clients. Nobody will say, दुकान खोल के बैठा है, कोई नहीं आ रहा है. Even the worst of schools and colleges will have some students. There will not be zero students. 20% is easy. Unfortunately, some of us are excited and happy, content with that 20%. And to satisfy ourselves, to justify what we have, that world famous statement is made. वक्त से पहले किस्मत से ज्यादा किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता है. Taliyan, and you become happy with your own dialogue. Not knowing what you are getting is not because of you, it is in spite of you. In your place, if you had tied an order form to the tail of a stinking donkey, that order still would have come. This is 20% people. And 20% people will not buy from you whatever you do. You give your best efforts, they need your product, your pricing is great, your behavior is fantastic, your commitments are just awesome, but for some reason they will not buy from you. So there are some people who will not buy an Apple product whatever happens. Apple नहीं खरीदने का मेरे को, ऑरेंज खरीद लेगा, बनाना खरीद लेगा, एप्पल नहीं खरीदने का, सैमसंग खरीद लेगा, ये खरीद लेगा, एप्पल नहीं खरीदने का. Why you don't like Apple? मालूम नहीं, पूछो मत, नहीं लेगा. Don't break your head with these people. Understand who are these 20% who will be with you whatever happens. Treat them royally. Understand who are these 20% people who are total time pass, time waste. Don't give them attention. If you have nothing else to do, you are also free, they are also free, then you mutually waste each other's time, that's your choice. That's why they say, क्या कर रहा है? Time pass. TP. Time pass तो घाटी word है. TP is the current word. 60% is what this game is all about. Those whom you can convert with your efforts. Those who are willing to do business with you. Those who are searching for something which you might have. Those which will need you to be smart and be accountable. The whole game is about the 60% people. 20% किस्मत बहुत है, and there are enough dialogues. जितना लंबा चद्दर है उतना ही पैर फैला. भाई मैं 6 फीट का है, चद्दर 1.5 फीट का है. पैर नहीं फैलाएगा तो ऐसे ही सुकुड़ के मर जाएगा. लेकिन जितना है उतना ही फैला. My question is, why not buy a big bed sheet? Why not buy a bigger bed sheet? Now these people who are happy with this 20% effortless cases, they will not buy a new bed sheet. Because to do anything outside, 20% which is a comfort zone will require effort. And there are possibilities of failure. With this 20%, there is no possibility of failure because they are with you. Like a family, husband is upset with the wife, wife is upset with the husband. They know कोई किसी को छोड़ के कहीं भी जाने वाला नहीं है. आगे पीछे एक दूसरे से बारी बारी से गुस्सा करके कैसे तो भी चला रहे हैं. And the parents are upset with the children because where will the children go? So with this 20%, fundamentally we are happy in life. But go for the 60% because the cream is over here. Money is there, progress is there, abundance is over there, development is over there. Your development as a person, your product's development, your organization's development is in the 60%. But for that, you have to become accountable. Accountable means when you propose, there is strength. When you deliver, there is truth. When you initiate, you want to be loyal. You bring a lot of value to the table. If I'm not accountable, I can just make commitments and not live by those commitments at all. When I'm accountable, I will deliver everything that I have said. So discipline helps me to create accountability. Without discipline, accountability is not possible.